Hi guys, so today we're going to make something that is going to knock your socks off. We're going to make some pound cake French toast. Now for the recipe, I'm going to be using some Sara butter pound cake, but if you have some homemade pound cake, please use it. But if not, you can just use this. You're also going to need some cinnamon, vanilla extract, almond extract, a couple of eggs, some butter and salt, and you're also going to need some whole milk or some half and half. Now you're going to take all your ingredients except the butter and you're going to mix it in a big bowl. And then we're going to go ahead and slice up our pound cake. Next, we're going to go ahead and take our butter and we're going to add it to a hot skillet. And then we're going to take a slice of our pound cake and we're going to dip it in our batter on both sides. And then we're going to go ahead and add it to our skillet. We're going to let it cook for a few minutes on both sides until it's nice and golden brown. You guys, this is absolutely delicious. It's like you don't know if you're eating cake or French toast. It's not too sweet. I still used syrup, so it's not too sweet. I mean, I'm speechless. Yum.